Hello, dear students. Good morning to you all. Our next chapter is Nobel laureates. The Nobel Prize is widely regarded as the most prestigious award given for the achievements in various fields. So in this chapter we have to match the following winners of Nobel Prize with their field, and you have to write in the space that is provided below. Okay, let's start. The first one is, yes, Har Govind Khurana, and his field is in medicine 1968. He got the Nobel Prize in medicine 1968. Har Govind Khurana was an Indian American biochemist while on the faculty of the University of Wisconsin. Medicine, he shared the 1968 Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine with Marshall Nirenberg. Next is Jean Paul Sartre, and his field is literature and got Nobel Prize in Literature 1964. Jean-Paul Charles Ahmed Sartre was a French philosopher, playwright, novelist, screenwriter, political activist, biographer, and literacy critic. He was one of the key figures in the philosophy of existentialism and phenomenology, and one of the leading figures in 20th century French philosophy and Marxism. Next is C.V. Raman, and he got the Nobel Prize in the field physics in 1922. C.V. Raman, or you can say Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, FRS, was an Indian physicist known mainly for his work in the field of light scattering with his student K.S. Krishnan. He discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes their path. Next is Kazuo Ishiguro, and he got the Nobel Prize in Literature 2017. He is a British novelist, screenwriter, musician, and a short story writer. He was born in Nagasaki and moved to Britain in 1960 with his parents when he was 5. A graduate from the University of East Anglia, Ishiguro is one of the most celebrated contemporary fiction authors in English. Next, fifth one is Frances Arnold, and she got the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year 2018. Frances Hamilton Arnold is an American chemical engineer and Nobel laureate. She is the Linus Pauling Professor of Chemical Engineering, Bioengineering, and Biochemistry at the California Institute of Technology. Sixth, Olga Tokarczuk and Peter Handke, and they both got the Nobel Prize in the field literature in year 2018 and 2019. Olga and the controversial Australian author Peter Handke have both won the Nobel Prize in Literature. The Nobel Committee's Anders Olson said her work, which centers on migration and cultural transitions, was full of wit and cunning. Seventh is Rabindranath Tagore, and he got the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali polymath, poet, writer, playwright, composer, philosopher, social reformer, and painter too. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with the conceptual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. 8th, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons, and they got the Nobel Prize of Peace 2017. The International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons is a global civil society civil society coalition working to promote adherence to and full implementation of the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. The campaign helped bring about his treaty. Ninth is Albert Einstein, and he got the Nobel Prize of Physics in year 1921. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. 10th is Niels Bohr, and he got the Nobel Prize in Physics in a year 1922. Niels was a Danish physicist who made foundational contribution to understanding atomic structure and quantum theory, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Niels was also a philosopher and promoter of a scientific research. 11th, Richard H. Thaler, and he got the Prize of Economics in 2017. Richard is an American economist and Charles R. Reagan Distinguished Service Professor of Behavioral Science and Economics at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. In 2015, Thaler was president of the American Economic Association. Next is K. Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai, and they both got the Prize of Peace in the year 2014. Next, James Peebles, Michael Mayer, and Didier Queloz. They got the Nobel Prize of Physics in the year 2019. 2019 Nobel Prize in Physics honors three pioneering scientists for their fundamental contribution to these cosmic questions: Professor James Peebles of Princeton University, Michael Mayer of the University of Geneva, and the Didier Queloz of the University of Geneva and the University of Cambridge. 14. Abiy Ahmed Ali. Abiy Ahmed Ali is an Ethiopian politician serving as fourth Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, and he got the Prize of Peace in the year 2019. And the last one is Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo, and Michael Kramer. They all got the Nobel Prize of Economics in the year 2019. Reddy critiqued the approach to development economics and embodied by the work of the recent Nobel Prize winners Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Duflo, and Michael Kramer. The theories proposed to explain economic growth and appeared disconnected from the economic lives of individuals in developing countries. I hope you understood the video well. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.